Statue of Liberty, an iconic symbol of freedom in New York Harbor. Times Square. The neon lights, massive billboards and hustle of this area make it a quintessential NYC experience, especially at night. Empire State Building. For sweeping views of the city from one of the world's most famous skyscrapers. Brooklyn Bridge. Walk or bike across this iconic bridge for incredible views of both Manhattan and Brooklyn. Central Park. A vast green oasis in the middle of Manhattan, great for walking, biking, or relaxing by the water. Rockefeller Center. Another great spot for a panoramic view of the city, often with fewer crowds than the Empire State Building. Broadway. Catch a world-class show in the Theater District. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, home to one of the world's finest art collections, spanning thousands of years. Museum of Modern Art, MoMA. If you're into contemporary art, this is a must. "9/11 Memorial and Museum. A somber yet deeply moving tribute to those affected by the events of September 11, 2001. The High Line. A unique elevated park built on a former rail line filled with art gardens and great city views. The American Museum of Natural History. Famous for its exhibits including the giant dinosaur skeletons, the Guggenheim Museum. Designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, this is one of NYC's most famous buildings with modern art exhibits. The Vessel Hudson Yards. A stunning interactive art installation in Hudson Yards with spiral staircases and unique views. Smorgasburg. A huge outdoor food market in Brooklyn, especially great in the warmer months. Washington Square Park. Known for its iconic arch and lively atmosphere, this is a popular spot for musicians, chess players, and artists. Greenwich Village. Explore charming streets, visit vintage shops, and enjoy cafes and restaurants. New York Public Library. The Grand Beaux-Arts architecture and peaceful reading rooms make this a must-see destination.